I was drinking water. Just realized it could look weird. And no headset. I'm not looking like Princess Leia today. Yay! Yay! This hoodie is warm. It's very comfortable, but it's also very warm. I'm excited today. Be fun. It will be fun. So I need to, yeah. The only thing is with now my mic, with me not wearing a headset, the mic also catch a little bit of the music. When there's music. Okay, so let's start CB. So Mr. CB, are you here? Yes, you are. Excellent. So now let's start at the monitoring of all activities. So let's do a learning today, since we will be learning. Cool. The project is learning. And if I can... Woo! Oh, Tête d'Ampoule. Hello! Hey! How are you, Tête d'Ampoule? How are you? Ah! That was close. Both of us were kind of close. Am I the first one? I was really, really close. Hey, Game Lord also. Damn, that's cool. Very happy today because I'm not wearing a headset. That's a big victory. Like, I prefer not having a headset. It's stupid, but it pressed on my glasses, and like at the end, I'm just like, ugh. Though those headsets I have are very comfortable, to be honest. Those are the Bose. I put a lot of money in it. They are very comfortable, but I prefer having no headset. Catch me at the start. You'll see that's not the best part. You may be surprised. You may be surprised. How was your week? Just quickly doing stuff here. I want to share a few things. Okay, so I think you can hear me, right? Because you're interacting with me. Can you hear some music, or it's like it's supposed to be like in the background? That's the thing. When I was wearing a headset, I could put the music louder for you and like the level I like for me, because I think there's a difference between my... Oh, maybe if I boost or lower this, if I do this, can I boost it for you? Yeah, okay, cool. Lots of work. Maui, Blazor, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, and C sharp again. Ooh, I can't complain. Love it. Cool. A new project? What's happening? What's so many? Look like there was a lot of changes. For me this week, let me share that. That's the part, the show and tell, I think. That's how they call that. So 2 weeks ago, I was at Redmond, Seattle, and so Microsoft headquarters for the .NET Conf. where I was a host and things like that. And I forgot my laptop in the DevRel studio. Bum, bum, bum. And yeah, I realized that I was in the taxi, not that far, so I could have totally like turned around and like go pick it up. But the thing is that local locked all the time. There's obviously a lot of like equipment there and stuff like that. So it was in a Microsoft building, very secure Microsoft building, in an extremely secure room, and I forgot my laptop there. So I was like, ugh, and like we left and locked the door and nobody had access. So I was like, well, damn it, there's nothing I can do. So I'll, you know, reach out to my manager, explain the situation. He made a lot of fun of me, roast me for like, since then, every day. I think he's roasting me with a lot of love, but like it's still roasting, right? And then I was working on a Surface laptop. I think this is a Surface laptop 2. It's about, I don't know how many years this thing is. Maybe 10 years old? Yeah, I think it's about 10 years old. And it was running Linux because last time I played with that, I was experimenting. And so yeah, so I used that. I joined that machine to the work domain, and I was working on this machine. I had like a USB plugged in on the one USB port, and it was going into my deck, so I could use like a proper keyboard and like have like a bigger screen and be a little bit more comfortable than, you know, working like only on that little things, though it is a great machine. But I did all my work this week on that machine. I was pretty impressed. For an 11-old machine, I didn't code like a crazy complex solution. At some point, the computer just kind of like had too many things open. I was like, okay, I'm used to work with like a powerful machine, so I close a few tabs and stuff like that, and then like I was able to like do my stuff. I was very, very impressed. Though I missed Windows. I don't know if you didn't know, I always stream on Linux because my personal laptop is Linux, and but I didn't know that Teams, there's no client on Teams. There's no and emails. I was okay with like I did that for many years, like just in the browser, Outlook in the browser. But it is how it works. There's no client, or like there's a lot of security. So like, you know, there's a lot of constraint. Obviously, Microsoft takes security very, very, very seriously. So anyway, so I was doing that. The one thing that kind of like was a little bit harder, there was a lot of file, you know, like you're working on a file or working. I will share news soon, like a PowerPoint presentation, stuff like that. It's all in my OneDrive. And usually the OneDrive is sync on your machine, and it's just easy. You open it, update, and like it's sync automatically and stuff like that. And you forget how those things are just amazing, because on Linux, there's no OneDrive client. So you need to work with the browser. So every time you need to like re-upload, download. And for some reason, the drag and drop was not super smooth. And took me until yesterday to find out how to re-upload. I could just like say plus, and I thought the plus would be just for like creating a new file, but it's also like, hey, you could upload a new file. And I was like, oh, I could have avoided, because that process where you say plus upload and then like pops the folder browser, whatever, and then like you pick the file you want, that works like perfectly like a charm. But the drag and drop was not silky smooth. Is it the way we say it in English? Anyway, same project for the company I work for. I can't speak about it on. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We all do that, right? Like there's stuff I kind of share, and like you don't know what it is, and sometimes I cannot share, but I want to share it, and so I'm trying without saying too much. I get it. But DevOps, everything, oh, that's wonderful. Microsoft frameworks and technology to, oh, love it. That's cool. Full stack. Love it. Yeah, that's cool. I have a cool project also. This like right now that I'm working on, and part of it there's Entra, and I was like, well, let me grab that because I it's been a while since. When was Entra kind of like? Well, Entra is the Microsoft security, used to be called Azure Active Directory. They rebranded and repackage it, I think, and stuff like that. And I didn't touch it since then, and like even before. And like for many project, right now we're working on. Let me share my screen. Just before I share my screen, let's do this. No, I want you to go there. Cool. So yeah, so we're working right now on this project, the note bookmark, where like you grab a blog post article you like, and then you can write a note and like write a summary and stuff like that. So it's all web-based. Eventually, I think I will turn it on like being like a device app, so you could have it on Android or like all applications. So we'll do that .NET soon on the channel. Oh! I need to drop too. I don't want to miss it. Nobody landed today. But I was also thinking, now that, I don't know if you saw that, but now Aspire support Azure Function, and I thought we could revisit one of our been so long I don't know how to type it. This project, you know, the URL shortener. I think we could revisit that project. I started working on like a V3, but I thought, hey, we could have everything packaged in a container. So then when we deploy, like I think like the client respond, like, you know, there's multiple pieces.
Hi.
Hey, Stefan is also there. No, Stefan. Yeah, Stefan is there. Hello, bonjour. How are you? So yeah, so doing that, so we could keep like the fast response with the Azure function or like the client side, and then like the admin tool could be in a container that scale to 0, so we save cost, right? Because it's not every day you create new URL and stuff like that. The API would be secure, and like we'll have to have some kind of like authentication. So like this project, the notepad, like, and even like 2D6, we want some kind of authentication and maybe authorization and like maybe roles and things like that. So like in all the projects that I have right now in my bandwidth, at some point I need authentication and security and role and stuff like that. And right now I'm playing a lot with containers. So I think today, instead of like being in a very specific project, I think we'll just like do one step back or maybe two step back, create, you know, a basic app. And I found some like I just like quickly Googled with Bing. No, I think is it DuckDuckGo I use on this machine? I think it's DuckDuckGo. Anyway, so I found two documentation. I'm not sure yet which one will be following. I never done that. Like, you know, like I never done that with the Azure Container Apps, and these days I'm deploying a lot there. So I want to know. I know there's some feature, so I think it will be cool, and hopefully I can share as much as possible with you. Obviously, there's some security stuff, so I may be forced to hide my screen, but I don't know. We'll see how I can. I want to share as much as possible, so we'll have fun, and I want to use the Microsoft Entra ID. So yeah, 2 weeks ago was .NET-Conf. Next week for me is AI Tour in Toronto. Over there. And if we check the speaker, look at that. Ooh, you know that guy. Right? they show my talk. Yeah, they show my talk here. Boom. So it's a essential prompting with GitHub Copilot in VsCode. You know, I love VsCode, and Copilot is also pretty cool. I love it. Flying on Monday. There's an event, a meetup, a community event in the evening on Monday. I'm not speaking. There's a lot of speaker coming from different countries, so I kind of like let the chance to for more exotic. Less frequent. Not that I'm very frequent in Toronto. It's still kind of far for me, but I've been there a few times, so I was like, yeah, we'll, you know, leave the stage for the other speaker, but I will be there for networking and stuff like that. Looking forward to kind of like see the MVPs that I know already, and like meeting new people and having an interesting chat. So yeah, so let me share this in the notes. Let's add that to the note. And again, I don't remember. I could have removed the tracking stuff. I never know if it's note or notes. If I do this and then I go to, can I do that? Oh, nah, can I do that? I think it's Cloudbud. Yeah, Cloudbud. Oh, I have a command for that, right? It's CMD. But is it CMD for everybody or just me? Only the broadcaster. Oh, I'm hiding it. Frank, go in the corner. That's a me. But we'll repeat the message. Okay. Score, load, save, talk, so, to do, add, to do. I didn't do the I didn't do the notes, or maybe everybody can add that. No. What are you talking about? Let's go in the source. I keep forgetting about that one. Is it an index? Maybe it's an index. Let's find note. Obviously, there's a lot of note save, note. Okay, so it wasn't that file. Maybe in public, or in index.html. Yeah, note, single. I should say, oh, just in the log. Maybe I should have, like I should say, like make CB, like, you know, some, okay, Frank, add it to the stream note. So like I will stop like asking myself. But yeah, cool. Okay, so it is note singular, but like I didn't specify what it was. Anyway, so that's what it is. Anything else I need to share? Yay! Who landed? Stefan landed. Great job. I love it. I love it. Well, that was it. Congrats. Yeah, I don't know. Like it's Black Friday. Any Black Friday week? Any purchase you did? I don't know. Like did I buy anything? I bought some a LED strip for a project that I want to do with my Raspberry Pi. Kind of, I saw that it was kind of a timeline, so you see like where you are in the day, where are your meetings, and I was thinking put it in there, so like visually I could always see that. I think that could be cool. Unfortunately, you won't see it, but I will. I could put it there, but it won't be fun. Yeah. In fact, it's a woman who share a project. It was for Advent calendar. You know, to how many sleeps I think the project is. Oh, let me. I think that's the project. Yeah. Nope. How do you spell Advent calendar? Anyway, so oh, I think it was it. And I found out that she also had like exactly what I want to do with Google Calendar, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. Maybe I can do it with like my Microsoft Calendar. Oh yeah, it's true. Like there's a lot of communities and people doing like Advent, like with a bunch of challenges and stuff like that. So that project was like using, like you said, addressable LED strip, and then you connect it. Oh, did I land? No, it was tight down pull, right? Yeah, so like it was that. So every day it was turning on, and like when it's not in Advent mode, it was kind of like breathing. And I was like, it's cool. And then I looked the other project of that woman, and one project was exactly what I had in mind, like a visual of your timeline for the day where you have like different colors because, okay, this is a meeting and stuff like that. So I was like, that's cool. You know, that's kind of a visual. You could put it there. It's not like too in your face. You don't need to have the calendar open. That idea pop in my mind because of like the limited computer I was working on this week. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so oh, that's a cool one, Blazor, Mr. Magoo. Welcome aboard. Welcome beyond my cloud. I mean, maybe if I put the what do I have here? Let's go with a classic one. Surprised to be a oh. Is it Twitch that put the little hat, or it's Pixel Plush? Yours is definitely one with it, and mine was added by Pixel Plush. That's cool. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so where should we start? Anyone did that already? Play with Microsoft Entra ID and Azure Container Apps? Let me know. You could save us a lot of like, though, like, well, I want to learn. Nope, I want to learn, so that's fine. I'm learning everything. Okay, so authentication and authorization in Azure Container Apps. So in this article, why use built-in authentication? Identity provider. Oh yeah, that's cool. So because you could like do it with multiple stuff, and it's is it easy? Oh, they improved it a lot. Cool. Considering using the built-in authentication feature. Okay, that's overview. So let's do that. Let's start here, and we'll do the other one after. You know what? Let's add that also to the note. So if people are this, and then I should have a URL shortener that automatically shrink the URL and stuff. Here, so you could follow at home with me. So let's close this. Cool. Easy Auth. Oh, okay. Okay, they refer it at Easy Auth. I think I will still call it Azure Container App features. Feel Easy Auth. Isn't it like another thing that use that too? I wonder, like when I'm chatting directly in this, does people... Yeah, let me double check something, okay? Because I'm using the Twitch interface, so I don't think my messages are repeated inside the chat. Okay, we'll mute myself quickly here. So I see both. Ah, but yeah, if I do here, let's do. So I need some kind of repeater. Yeah, I don't see any messages. Okay, cool. I just popped in my mind. Because I see everybody is on Twitch. I'm used to use Twitch all the time and then like archive on oh, can I boost this? No, I'm not using the output of that. Okay. Yeah. So we need to ask I think Fritz and Clarkio are using that. Is it a feature? Let me is there settings? I mean, if I do a test here, this computer, will I arrive in time? Yeah, okay, I see it here now. Do you know how they are doing it? It's weird to see myself in the chat. I feel like I'm a big fan of myself. I don't like it. Do you know? Maybe it's a setting. Let me open my settings here. Appearance, embed, reply, command. Oh, there's a bot. Relay automatically forward all incoming message from one. Oh yeah, cool. I want that feature. Okay, cool. So now let's do it again one more time. So now if I do this and oh, that's a cool one. Okay, it's not pretty. Like instead of like Twitch Puchero F Pucheros, I wish it could be like, I don't know. Okay, that's cool. So good enough for me. Just want to make sure, I want to be inclusive if people are watching. I don't think a lot of people are watching anyway. One is watching, and I'm guessing it's me. Okay, well, now you know I'm also multi-stream, and nobody landed. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's now focus. Frank. So nobody bought anything this week because of the special, or plan to buy during the weekend because of the special. Stefan, you landed 21.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
Why CB didn't react? Did CB crash? Oh, that's just in oh no, attends. Okay. I don't know. Isn't it supposed to... Oh, maybe because it's not your best score? Stefan? Yeah, you landed before, right? It was you who landed earlier, right? It was you. Yeah, you landed with oh, I can ask. Yeah, 54. Okay, so it didn't yay because it's not your best score. Ah, I remember. If I continue streaming every week, I will get back to it. Okay. Why use built-in authentication? That's a good question. You're not required to use this feature authentication. Feature in your web framework. Is it big enough? I can make it bigger. That's big. Oh, that's even better. But like I'm in my way. Zoop. Maybe that's better. Well, he's trying a lot, so you know, we'll give to Caesar what comes to Caesar. Why can I not drop? Is it the same? Okay, now I can. Maybe I should use the peg one instead of the drop, but I like the drop because of the clouds stuff. Yeah, like, you know, I landed where I am. I should put myself straight where is the target. Okay, you're not required to use the feature authentication and authorization. You can use like something else. The built-in authentication can save you time and effort. We'll see that today. Out of the box. That's cool. Federated identity provider. This feature allow you to. The benefit are Azure Container Apps provide access to excellent. The built-in feature don't require any particular language SDK security expertise. Oh, that's cool. Any code? Well, I mean, like you have the login, and I'm assuming like if you're reading, but are they using like a token or something? We'll see that. Identity provider. Oh, there's a lot of identity provider. So Microsoft, cool. Facebook, great. GitHub, that's cool. Love that. Google, that's nice too. X, okay. And Open ID. So like, you know, open. Okay, cool. Okay. So this feature, you should be allowed to ship only. Ensure that allow. So this feature should be used with HTTPS only. Okay, ensure allow insecure is disable. Your container apps ingress configuration. Okay, you can configure your container apps for authentication with or without restricting access to your site. Okay, required authentication, authenticate, restrict, blah blah blah. Feature architecture. So the client. Man, t'as d'ampoule, you're in fire. You don't miss any opportunity. And you landed again. Oh no, like earlier it was yeah, earlier it was Stefan, now it's you. Mr. Magoo, who else was there? Mr. Magoo, it was it GT Sum, and I forgot which one was also Game Lord. We need to you know, we cannot leave it like that. Don't say finally. Like sometimes it takes like a full stream, and sometimes you don't even land without, you know. But good, I'm happy you landed. So cool. So it go to the client, and again it's cat. So like this is your container apps, and then you have like the container itself. Cool. Oh, Game Lord, I think you may land. Yeah. Yeah, you did land. No. Why is showing you? Yeah, Game Lord 15. There it is. And now Blazor, yeah. That's a cool emoji also. Blazor Mr. Magoo. What it is? Where did you get that one? It looks like a Polaroid with kisses and art. It's cool. Okay. So authentication is the same. So I've been streaming at the top of the hour and someone is late. I won't restart the stream this week. So Surly Dev, you know, yeah, that one. It's a cool one. Where did you get it? Is it like a train stuff? Okay, you search for Christmas stuff. Also, they are I don't know, there's so many. And there's a lot of faces that I don't know the meaning, so I'm not using them. Yeah, see, I think you got those because you were on a stream with like the choo-choo train or something like that. I don't have those. The Celebrate K-pop, I only had 2. Look like it's a K-pop stuff. The only Christmas I have is this one. See, and you know, it's not worth it. It didn't work. Oh, like that's a cool one too, the Christmas tree. Okay, let's focus a little bit so we can make some progress here. We still didn't even have an app. Call from the trusted provider, call REST API. What? Authentication flow is the same for all provider, but differ depending on whatever you want. You have like a provider SDK, so you don't need it, but obviously it simplifies the calls. Okay, so with or without the SDK, server direct flow, application delegate federate. Okay, and okay, so call from trusted app for provider. Cool. So the user will be this URL, and for us, that they gave us the, yeah, so it will be this, I'm guessing AAD. So it's still Azure Active Directory, even if they call that, yeah. Callback, okay, container, establish authenticate session, okay. Okay. Okay, so client, browser, container app, automatically direct all authenticate browser to, okay. But our authorization behavior in the Azure portal, you can edit the container app's authentication settings, configure it to various behavior. Oh yeah, okay, but we need something to deploy it and blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Caution, restrict the access. Well, by default, user ID and try request token. Oh yeah, that would be cool for later. So I'm like, yeah, with role and stuff. Multiple is also great. So is it magic? I just put this and it just worked? No. In the sign-in page of the navigation or the navigation bar, add one of the other or any other location enable, for example, I put this, and when the user select one of them, to redirect the user post sign in to the custom URL, use the post signing redirect query string. Okay, so it needs to be, I need to do something like that. Okay. Oh. Oh. Let's do let's do cloud in 5 minutes. Well, I'm glad that it's all working for you. Oh, that's cool. So I just need this and it will work. I'm guessing I need to read some kind of token or something. Okay, client directed sign-in. Oh, that's a cool one. I like that. Happy face. A client direct sign-in application. Signing out. Access the user claim. What? Oh no, that's not what I want to do. I want to... we don't do that here. I'm guessing it was a bot anyway. Throw a cent poke. We don't do cheesy stuff. We believe in the hard work, learning. Yeah, that's... Refer the following article for securing container... What? I feel like this is the header of this post. So let's do control click. Oh no, it's enable. So this is the same as this. Yes. Cool. So we are following. Let's add that to the notes. Let's add that to the notes. Oh, before. Let's drop. Now we could do note. Frank, you have a new keyboard. You need to learn those keys. Let's paste the URL.
Yay!
Fine. Oh, that. Yeah. 69.49. Oh, drop it, drop it. Drop it so you could, you know, have your shot. Lovely. So Game Lord and Mr. Magoo, Blazor, Mr. Magoo, I think you're the only one who didn't land today. Oh no, you did land. I forgot. That's why I have CB to keep track. Initially, when we started that stuff, I was doing it manually, keeping track of everyone. Because did you know, if you go to behind my cloud, behind... I think I had a glitch on a few. Here, read more. Oh, it's not part of it? What? Yeah. Game result. It's this. I forgot. Plus. It's not very big. I need to make it so it like. Oh, can I do this? Oh, cool. See? Keep tracks of the game result when CB doesn't crash. Okay, how can I remove it? Oh, interesting. I'm trying to get the Nolan. The achievement. Are you a gamer, Blazor, Mr. Agu? Okay, so enable this. Option 1, create a new app registration automatically. Oh, I want to do this. I want it automatically. We'll at some point we'll need a app also, right? Like we'll need to do like a Blazor app, package it, and even that, like I don't want to use Aspire. I want to do it like Scott Henseman says. I want to learn stick shift before like driving automatically. Oh, did you see he's doing a podcast with Mark Ruzinovich, Scott Henseman and Mark Ruzinovich? Did you see that, guys? Cloudies, did you see that? Let me know in the chat. I will share the link with that. Like, it's a must watch. It's very, you learn and you laugh. Because those guys, they are smart. They share a lot of good stuff, and you know they're just having fun. So it's funny. This article shows you how to configure authentication with Azure Container Apps that you're signed in using Microsoft Identity Platform as authentication provider. The Container Apps authentication feature can automatically create an app registration with Windows Identity Platform. Okay, that's create the apps registration automatically. Yes, definitely. So, zoop, option 1. And this option is designed to make enabling authentication simple and require just like a few steps. Sign into Azure portal and navigate to your app. We don't have an app. Should we pause, create an app, deploy it, and like start from there? Though, if we do that, the problem is what's happening? I don't know how you pronounce Gwydion. Cheers. 30. What? That's cool. Thank you for the bits. 300. That's crazy. Like, I'm wordless. Sorry. Like, I'm not used to receive that stuff. Very appreciated. So let me read your comment. Why I don't see it in the. I don't see it. How do you pronounce it? Is it Gwydion? Let me read your message before it ran out of my screen. So it says, "Hey Frank, tête d'ampoule, come on, taking the lead with 99. You should clip that. That's a good score. Make a clip." Okay, so like reading the message. Hey Frank, I know this isn't a 2d6 dungeon stream, but I've been trying to connect with you on it. I've left a few comments on your video. I deploy it, but it's still having some issue getting it to work. Whoa, what's happening? I missed the miss. Things are moving around. Yeah. So, okay, cool. YouTube is like, are you on different social? Like, I don't know, Blue Sky, LinkedIn, Twitter, or X? Or what social are you using? I think that will be better than like doing it on oh, well, you can ping me. I have a Discord. But Twitter X is I'm F Boucheros. You're on Discord? Cool. I have a Discord. right? Right, Frank, you have a Discord. Can I show that? Let me open Discord. I have Discord. Yeah, I have Discord. I think if I go here and or is it on my page? Like down below, is there an invite for Discord? I'm not very active there, but like I have Discord. Yeah, I have a look. Other than that, about social, just so we can chat a little bit more in private, but yeah, happy to help you getting started with 2D6. Well, right now it is just a prototype. Like you cannot do a lot with it, right? The full game is not complete. We don't have like a full battle. Like it's kind of like, we're like, for me that was just kind of like attacking the just like we do today. Like I was like, okay, I don't have no idea how to do that, let's build it, and I kind of like learning how to build it, so it looks kind of cool, but at the same time it's just kind of like a prototype. Where is my Discord? I did open Discord. Oh, there it is. What? Oh, I don't have it. Okay, cool. But yeah, I think I have like a Discord server. I thought I put it is it? Yeah, I have Discord here. Yeah, I have Discord here. Let me put it in the chat. There it is. I need to be more active on Discord. I was trying to be active on Discord and like Slack and a bunch of stuff, and I think I will just do Discord. There's a lot of community over there. That would be cool. I just don't have the reflex to go, you know, read all the news. But yeah, happy to help you getting started. We'll get back to 2D6 soon. Yeah. I have this and I have the URL shortener also that I want to revisit and put in Aspire. That would be cool. Okay. So yeah, so I think we'll have to, we need an app. But the thing is, if I do an app, we'll have to redeploy it because the first app won't have anything. I have no idea how to communicate with like the token and stuff. Right? So let's build an app. Who's that? I cannot even read the name. That was crazy. That was Tête d'Ampoule. You're in fire. Okay, so let's build an app. Do I have like a VsCode open? Yeah. Oh no, that's, oh, I have, that's cool. Let's do this with this. So let's go into my dev and do I have like won't be, let's do local, and let's make a new app. So .NET new, let's do Blazor. And you know what? I think there's, do I want that? So there's one here. I think you could specify. I'm not sure if the template, let's do no template, like super basic. So we do everything, because I think with this, there's a few things you could add, right? So if I do .NET new and then Blazor and then do dash dash help, I think it will list, yeah. So okay, that's not very big. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it bigger, not under me, but here. Let's say that's good, right? Yeah. So I think there was like, yeah, auth. And you could specify what it is. None, individual. The default is none. Let's do nothing for now. Or maybe we do both. Let's try both just to see the difference. Okay, let's do that. Yeah. Okay, so clear. Let's do this, and it was dash dash whoa, and it was individual, right? And we'll name it what do we call that? FB test auth. Right? Ted Dumple is like, yeah, no, I wanna, you know, like you have 99 already. You want 100? Okay, so let's do code, and then we'll do FB. Let's make that bigger. So here we have a project. Okay, so it's using cookies. Okay, that's cool. So there's a connection string. Oh, because this, like the, what? AppDB? Oh, so, okay, no, that's not what I want. Yeah. Yeah. So it's creating role and user, like, and keeping track of that inside the app in like a Visual Studio. Well, I agree with you. Not sure. I think 99.99 was I think that's the highest score you can have. I don't think you can have 100.
Bonjour. Hi.
GD Sum is here with like a bonjour. Hello, sir. You're landing again? Ah, no, but really close. Okay, so that's not what we want, because this is, no, we could have a look to the UI. Let's check the UI, how they manage that. In that component, oh yeah, there's a layout. Let's go in the layout. I'm assuming it will be in the navigation. FB, okay, so that's the kind of like the main. And now we have the So that's the home, the counter, the weather, auth required. Okay, and the name if I'm logged in and logged out. Okay. Oh, and that's part of the authorize. Okay, so like that's cool. We could use that, I think, in our code. Login is here. Okay, that's not what we want though. We want to do it the hard way, right? So let's do this again. We'll remove the auth because we'll build it manually. Where is delete here? And I don't like that name, FB test auth. Let's do learn ACA Entra. Yeah. Cool. So now we could do code. Learn ACA Entra. Why are you opening to good morning? Don't save. Close that. Kind of keeping my stuff. I don't know. Why are you opening so little? You're so little. Cool. So I was like, hey, do I have my cool. Okay, so just let's quickly F5 that. Did it work? I think it's... Maybe I should have wait until... And then we'll package it in a container. Yeah, C#. Yeah. I'm used to use so much Aspire now that I'm like, how did I do it before? That's the beauty and the curse of like tools. You become super efficient, but then like you also forgot like how things works. Blazor, Mr. Magoo. Seriously, that's great. That's great. That's really good.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
And you think Clarkio's eyes will... Oh, you know what? I thought you were really landing kind of like on top of Blister Magoo here. GT Sum. You know, the Clarkio's eyes. Oh, it opened in a different window. So there we have it. This is our app. Yay. Okay, so we have an app. So now let's containerize it. Yes, because we are in ACA, so Azure Container App. So we need to containerize that thing. So let's stop it. Oh, do we want to add like that little... Let's do that. Let's first in the layout navigation menu. We'll add a new one, right? Whoops, that's not what I intend to do. Then to do this. Cool. And we'll do login. And oh yeah, and I'm also all used to do the icon from Fluent UI. That Dumple is landing again. So see, like, you could land a lot of time. Let me land with a little heart. Boom. Maybe I will land. Maybe not. No. Okay. Yeah, I'm never sure those icon thingy. No, it's not important, but you know. What are those? Why my window doesn't respond? What's happening? That's not what I want. I want Blazor icon. Yeah. Where is the full list? Icons? Oh, here maybe? I forgot. Anybody has the link? Since I start using, you know what? Let's like that's not important for today. Yeah, let's not waste time on that. We'll keep the same icon for now. Okay. Let's focus on the code. So here, what I want to use instead was they were saying we need to use the this, right? Where was this? So I'm copying this, I'm pasting that here. So here our provider is AAD, and the page will be home, will be empty. Let's go with weather. If we're authenticated, go to weather. Why not? Oh, we could make weather secure, but anyway. Okay, so that's cool. So we have something, and we could do a logout. I'm assuming logout, and the logout was, I think it was the same URL, right? Where is it? Authorize, provider, redirect. It's so big. Okay, logout. It's like I'm reading the text like this. Not really, but kind of. Okay, so now we have a login and a logout. And then okay, cool. So we have that. So now we need to package it. And I think I could use my container stuff. No? What happened? Oh, it changed. What did I do? Oh, activity. Okay, so no, that's not what I want to do. Can I package that? How do I do that? Forgot how to do it. Okay, maybe I need to click here on the Docker stuff. Image, register, network, context. Plus, maybe, container. New dev container. No, that's not what I want. Well, new dev container? That's what I want. I want to package my app. Maybe I want to create a new image. Room, show, no. Register. Docker is running, right? Let's close this. Oops. Okay, cool. I have Portainer that runs. Oh, I could use Portainer to visualize. There was a simple way, or maybe I need to build an image, but I want to write a Docker file. There's a way. Any hint, someone? I saw Julia doing it. Oh, here it is. Add a Docker compose file to this. So like I need a Docker file, not necessarily like Docker compose. Container inspect, start, remove, log. I think it was, what was it at the end? It was image, Docker add maybe? Add a Docker, add Docker, yeah. So that's the one I want. Add Docker file to workspace. Let's do this. My app is ASP.NET Core. Yes. I want Linux. What port? Let's go for 8080. It's kind of a classic, right? Include the optional Docker compose file. Do we want that? No. Cool. Excellent. So now I guess we could remove this here though and do it when we build it. So if here I do now Docker, it's been a while, Docker build, and then we'll put a tag. We'll call it, how do we call it? Learn ACA Entra, and then port. Do I need? No, I don't need to specify the port, right? And then this. I forgot how we do it. Let's do version. This like that. You don't like my version? Okay, let's remove the version. I have no idea how to do it. Okay, so it's building. Cool. Oh, chop, chop, chop. I didn't use the thumbs up emoji today.
I got a bad feeling about this.
No, be more. Maybe you are right. Maybe you are right. I didn't even check what was the version of our container. Okay, so now we have a container, so I guess I could just do Docker run and right, I called it this, so let's, and do I need to do the P now, the port? Open. Obviously, it didn't. It just did that weird stuff. This and local host. Column. Hey, it's working. Cool. Excellent. Yeah. Yay. Okay, so we have an image, right? Okay, so let's stop this. Let's clear. Let's make it bigger a little bit. If I do Docker images, yeah, we have that with the tag latest. I would like to, how do you specify the tag? I thought when you build it, is it like I need to do something like this and do like v0.1? Is it the tag will go there? How do you specify the the version when you build? Hey Copilot, I think it's Alt Shift I, right? Alt Shift I, no, Control Shift, no, Control Alt I. Damn, what's the shortcut for Mr. Chat here? Control Alt I. Control Alt, I did it. Oh, there it is. Okay, okay, so it was this. Great. So let's do it again because I want to make sure I'm having the good version, right? So thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Whoops. So in case, let's, can I? So Docker build, I'm building an image and I'm, the T is the tag, so I'm giving it a name. So it will be this, and then now I'm specifying the version and say, hey, take the local folder as like a reference. And since I'm like in here, I'm bringing everything. It's not optimized, it's not the best one, but like, you know, it will work for now. We're just learning. So now if I do clear, and now if I do Docker images, I should have, yeah, this. Cool. So now, can I do a AZD init here? Oh yeah, use the code directory. Yes, Azure Container Apps. Whoops, I'm in the way. So I did AZD. So AZD is the Azure Developer CLI, and init will create a context and it will help me to kind of like deploy stuff instead of like going into the portal. It will create biceps files for me, so infrastructure as code, and we should be able to like easily deploy and redeploy and redeploy. I feel like this should be like a blog post and like a GitHub repo and a video, a proper video, kind of polished once we master it. Yeah, so I want Azure Container Apps. That's cool. What does port? Let's do 8080. Learn. My version of AZD is out of date. Yeah, let's fix that. Okay. um, it says that I need what? Oh, cool. It did happen, like, cool. So I did totally do it. So now let's clear this. Oh, did he create this stuff? Yeah, so we have this, but I'm guessing we needed to do, I don't know. So dockerfile here. Do we need to, I don't know. Oh, infra, there it is. So we did create a bunch of biceps file. Okay, so let's, you know what? Let's give it a try. Let's do an AZD up. And we'll deploy. Meanwhile, let's go this one. The K-pop dance. I have no idea why I have those emojis. Don't. I won't take it personally, but it was hard to go further, right? Right? I'm talking to you, K-pop F Bucheros. Okay, I wanna do whoops. I wanna do this subscription. Should it be hidden? Let me validate a few things here. I will go in the Azure portal. I just want to make sure that I have like the hiding stuff, and I'm in the good subscription. So I don't think I have. I have Easy Mask, but there's a new one. What's it called again? I think it's called Cloud Cloak. Yeah, let me share that with you while it's building and deploying. Is it? Oh, what? Select a location. Use arrow to filter. Did it stop? I'm guessing it stopped because I move it up. So that's a project that the Cloud Advocate works, and it's kind of an evolution of Azure Mask from Clarkio. It does a little bit more, so we'll use that. So we'll go here, open that, and we'll unzip it. Extract. Extract 2. Okay, cool. So now we need to go in the settings and the extension. Manage extension and developer mode. So now I could load, go to download. Okay, I picked the download this, no, voila, this. Cool. Now should work now. Yeah, I have it. Boom. So let me bring the portal down. And I will turn it on. I will show you what it is. Does it work? Yeah, it works. Cool. It is working. Oh, you know what? So let me share that with you guys. Where is my I lost my admin page. That's not cool. Won't have a chat anymore. There it is. So let me put that in the chat. So now, where is, oh, wait, oh, I brought it with the, okay. So see, oh, it doesn't work. Oh, now it's working. You know, after showing everything, so like, see, it's hiding my stuff, my email here, it's hiding a little bit more. Though I don't see anything. I feel like maybe we need to reload. You know what? Let's close this. Let's reload. Since we refresh, I don't think it's a problem though, but let's do that. So now let's reopen the terminal. Okay, so now I want to do Azude up. Oh, maybe I was not signed in. Yeah, it was showing me the subscription, so it is sign in. Okay. Yeah, I love that new output thing. So now it's creating the package. Cool. So now if we go in the Azure portal, we should have a new learn something that will show up eventually, right? I'm guessing. You are viewing the new browser experience. Cool. It should be there. Oh, there it is. No, That's the book. I'm so used to we work with that. Oh, it's still not start. It's packaging now. Okay. Oh yeah, say. Yeah, so it looked like the details of the. Let's click here. So maybe now if I refresh, just want this subscription. Yeah, learn. Cool. Cool. It's deploying. It's deploying. So, nobody bought anything because of the Black Friday special. Any new games, books, movie, TV show? Oh yeah, on Netflix I found, you know, we're waiting here, so I'm just chatting. On Netflix, I discovered a new series called Parthenon, I think. Parthenon? I'm not sure how it's called. This. It's a animate series. I think there's like 8 episodes. Yeah. And it's kind of cool. It's about uploading your mind into the cloud and like all the stuff. I think it's really well done. Honestly, anybody saw that? Anybody? Am I alone? What is happening to you? So now it's deploying the services. The deployment is complete, so all the resources were created. So if we go, oops. No, I don't want to. Oh, well, you know, okay, this is done. So now this is what's there. So we have, it's feel like it's big. So we have the application inside. That's cool. We have our app, container app. So I'm guessing this is where we will go configure, you know, that here we say like your app. I think that will be the one. And after that, we have our registry where like we build that image locally and then we upload it there. We could have done it into Docker Hub, but this is way closer since it's in Azure. So, you know, we'll do it here. And then we have a dashboard so we could see like, okay, that's cool. Manage identity. Oh, so it did create already a managed identity for us. Key vault. Log. So where is our container app environment? Where is our container? Oh, maybe it's in that thing. Well, wait, I don't want to touch it too much. Success. Endpoint. That's my app. Open. Well, it's there. It's definitely your app. We should have put some text, but maybe like we will put like version somewhere. So let's try login. Okay, 404. I was like, wow, if that works, like that would have been done. Like no setting, no nothing. Okay, that's cool. So we have this, though they say we don't have to do anything, right? I'll say go and navigate to your app. Then select authentication in the menu on the left and select add identity provider. Okay, let's do that. So we go in the app. So that's our app. cool. Now here, I need to, was it authentication? My, yeah, select authentication and select add identity, but I think I have an identity. Oh no, so that's cool. So now I add, sorry. H's are hard when you speak French. When your native language is French and you try to speak English. Okay, so I click this. Select the identity provider. I'm guessing that will be this, right? Select Microsoft. Now drop down the option to create a new registration or select it by default. You can change the name of a registration. Okay, so let's do that. So we take this one. Oh, see, there's Apple also. That's great. I think the more is the better. Right? Okay, so here we want this. Yeah. So the name, I think that's cool. Client secret expiration. Let's do yeah, that's good. Current tenant. Yeah. Allow requests only from this application. Allow requests from any identity. I think we want the allow. I think we want the second one, but let's read. Let's read the doc, Frank. We're brute forcing it today. Oh no, we're learning. We're learning. I like to code when I'm learning. Okay, if you're configuring the first identity provider for this application, you'll be prompted in a container app authentication settings section. What? Oh, they don't go over all the details. That's unfortunate. A client secret is created and stored in the secret in the container app. Okay. So I do that. I will keep it like it is. All the default stuff. Permission. I'll keep everything kind of like, and we'll do this. Oh, that's cool. There's a Copilot button here. Now it's creating the stuff and the secret and putting the secret in my okay, so identity provide. Okay, so yeah, it's true. Like, you know, remember we saw we could add multiple. So now I just add this one. Okay. Example is like, I will get my 99.99. You know, you're right. You're right. Okay, so our client secret is secret. Cool. Do we want to validate that? If I do this now, did I land? No, technical land. Who landed? I landed. Oh, that's cool. So it totally worked. So now it's asking me, hey, like, do you want to accept this? Yeah. Now I'm logged in. Now I'm logged in. That was easy. Wow. Okay, so now we need to learn how to read that whatever it is, because now we are logged in. But how do I know? There it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we could have changed this. So now you're okay. That's cool. So option 2. Okay, so we did that. Okay. Configure the client app to access your container app. Wait, like that? What? Listener power string. Yeah, we did that. Wait, though. When I did, let's say, logged out. Yeah, let's logged out from this. Okay, so now I'm logged out. You have been logged out. Cool. So now if I go to my app, containers, what? Okay, I want the URL. Is it this? Yeah. So now, oh, it's already like, yeah, no, I don't want you to log in all the way. Oh, that's a long. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Application URL. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, yeah, because okay. Was 10. So it should go to weather. Okay, so it is working. It's going to weather. But I wish I could see like, oh, now you're logged in and now like you're this user and whatever. So how come did I not land with like a better score than 9? I think Cloudy got reset, people. Oh no. I thought I landed with 69. I did land 69 because I had like 30 jokes that I didn't say in my mind. So I was at some point CB glitch and forgot to register it. I don't know. You be tripping. Boom. What was your score? Did I beat you? Boom. Like 3 of us are on the 90s. 90s. Oh, that's good. Okay. How much time do we have? Well, 15 minutes. We can try to squeeze and try to see like if we can read whatever. I feel like we did all that, right? Yeah, I want to know, how do I You can try it. There's no secret command. And if I click here, I think it's opening this link. I think we're going back to, yeah. Yeah. So how do we get the token? So yeah, access the user claim in the app code. So we need to read some, "Hey Hamid, how are you? Welcome behind my cloud." So now that we are authenticated, we need to read the claim. How do we do that? Make sure you encode. Yeah, like, okay. Ah, access the claim user. Cool. Let's do this. Oh, is this just... For all languages framework, container makes a claim incoming in the token available in your code. The claim are injected into the request header, which present in the header. Okay. How do I get that? I'm guessing that's a new... Oh, and you're coming from YouTube, Mr. Hamid. Welcome. You're the only one on YouTube today, so very happy. It's new for me that I'm both streaming. I used to only archive on YouTube, and now I'm streaming on YouTube. So happy, very happy to see you. Yeah, and we have many commands, and we have CB tracking. CB is for CloudBot. It's our look. This guy. It's tracking the code, like the scores of people lending or not lending, in fact, on the target. This pixel plush, that I didn't wrote that, was InstaFluff who wrote that. Okay, so we need to read claim from C#. So one thing we can do is, let's go here. I could, close it. Close this. Let's, I don't know. Okay, not in Entra, in component. I think it's in the layout. So let's open this page, okay? And how do I, so let's bring, it was Control Alt I, right? Cool. So, also maybe nav menu is not the best. So it's creating a new page. Okay. So we need the this, and we inject that. Oh, you know what? Let's do that. So we'll go into our weather. The pages, go for weather, right? And we'll be adding those two things at the top. Cool. And now we'll go like this. And now we'll add a new state. And uninitialized was already there. So now we could do this. Let's do that after. Right. And yeah. So now, can I redeploy that? Let's in the page home, do I have like a layout? Well, whatever. We're trying to go fast here, so let's put v 0.02. Oh no, it was just this, right? I think in the main layout I have like a oh no, it doesn't look like I have a footer. That's good enough. Okay, so let's bring back that terminal. Let's close Mr. Copilot here. And let's do a Azure up again. Maybe no. Let's recompile first. And then we'll do like this. I don't think I need to deploy. I think talk, you could say attention if you want to type down poll, but talk, I think it's only for me. If you do attention and always have hopes, CB will do like the and like say your message. Try it. Okay, so now we have that. So let's clear this. Now let's do an AZD up. So now AZD up should just redeploy the stuff. I'm not sure, did it? That was fast, huh? It was kind of like are you talking about the drop or like the deployment? I think you're talking about the drop. Blazor, Mr. Magoon, right? That was straight line. Yeah, it was kind of like shh. Yeah. We'll get there. Who's streaming today? I see we're getting close to the end of the stream, so I just want to check who's streaming today. Here.
Literally just touch anything and that's it. Just Andy.
Static. Let's see here. Static.
Oh yeah, that's cool. We could go there. Okay, so we deploy. Excellent, excellent.
Variable.
So that's the endpoint. Let's
C.
yeah.
String is then
Let's
the
open.
our name. Out.
Okay,
And
so it
just
is our
not
app
all
v2.
do not
Now
know
if I do login,
when
I should have go in weather first.
out the of a value. Okay.
So weather showed this.
You know the main
And if we
story
go
beat
login-
that's knowing it. Aw. Yeah, no, that's not nice when stuff like that happens.
What did you?
That's
I did copy paste, and then I'm like, nah. I didn't.
I'm gonna get this one. Is add an error message is then probably and return. And it will get you return true. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Given that
I feel
already
like-
you, I wonder, can I just do this now? Yeah, because you're just voiding it anyways, right? Okay.
Should we
Okay,
not?
that's fine. Good. Error message and return. So this would have been the error message service dot add message
Let's
and
run
return,
that
and it
locally.
will get something like
Let's see.
something.
Oh, we were close though, right?
Done. Get you, and it will get a pulse. Nice save, Flare. It's not anyone's fault though. I didn't expect it to
Oh
be.
no, I'm not running in a
bullshit.
container.
Yeah. Gotcha.
We'll see if it
I want
works.
everyone here to know you are an amazing
I don't think it
programmer.
will work.
I mean, that's great,
I need to
Flare.
put-
What did you
yeah.
do? What did you do?
So it's running here.
Let's see.
If I go
Oh,
to
just
weather,
in general. I mean, that's fine.
it's null. Yeah, I should have put something like,
Yeah, Duca.
oh, like
Your
see.
game codes is good. That's the best.
So there was no,
If all is
Loading,
running properly,
but there
is
wasn't
great.
any list.
Historical value. Okay.
So I'm guessing like the
out
stuff
of
wasn't all there?
a-
So here though it's null, right? Yeah. So
Daily
null.
follower.
So now it's getting the thing.
And that's if it's null, right? Oh dear.
So coin principle.
Gotten you, then CPH. Reflection is my best friend.
Can you go
It
in,
has so much reflection in it. Sometimes it can really be that way, and that's really nice if it all works.
Let's add you to the
Global
watch.
bar values. Oh, is this just get all of them? Oh. Nah, that's fine. Let's get a global var of. Can I just do this?
Right, and I will be listing, looping through the
No, you
claims.
just have an object, right?
So this.
Can I do T? Then that's an issue, right?
Okay.
So,
So go,
what
continue.
happens if you
So now-
fail?
It's not null. Is authenticated, it's false.
And I don't know why anyone writes any non-reflection code at this point, just reflection everything. Well, because using
Cool.
reflection
So
during
if I go
runtime
back
can
here,
sometimes be rather slow.
I see nothing.
So what you do is
Because probably
in
there
most
was
cases then have a generator which collects all of the stuff from reflection you really need
there was no user.
before you publish
I'm
the
guessing.
program. And that's
Because I
great
was
way of
not
doing it as well.
authenticated. So now if I do
And it
login,
will do CPH.
will
Okay,
fail.
So what is this?
do you have audio?
Yet it's always
Oh.
persisted in true.
Maybe, yeah. Sorry. Thank you, Reg. I was looking at who we could be rating. So if we look again, our app, So we are in V2. If I log in, we saw loop, and then like there's nothing. So I'm guessing we need to check the different claims. And I'm guessing I will need to, there's something missing. Right, the claims are injected into the request header, which are present. External aren't allowed, so set these header so they prevent only set by container apps. So example include. So I should try to read those claims, but there was nothing. I feel like I will need to have like a proper debug here, but we are at the top of the hour, so I need to stop streaming. That was cool though. I think we learned a lot today. Don't you think? We'll do a save. And we'll do a stop. So now all the notes have been stopped. And yeah, that was cool. I think we learned a lot today. And I think I want to do it's /raid. And the channel is voila. Yeah, thank you all for being there today. I think it was cool. I think we learned. I think Ted Dampool, you definitely show us that you are very perseverant. Trying to you know, lock, and I think the score were pretty good today, so I'm pretty happy about that. And now I think we'll go raid Anna Sass Dev. She's doing some C# stuff, working on a bot, so I think that will be cool. So we'll do that. Start this. Excellent. And yeah, I wish you all a great long weekend. If you're American, happy Thanksgiving, and see you next week. Bye everybody.